Hello my dear children, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss lines and angles. Lines and angles. In this chapter we are going to discuss the sums in the exercise 6.3, page number 107 in the textbook. Okay my dear children, are you ready to listen the class? Right. In the previous class, we have completed first question and the concepts so far. Okay, my dear children? Right. Now come to the question number 2. Next question in this exercise. In the adjacent figure, angle x is equal to 62 degrees. Angle xyz is equal to 54 degrees. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and angle YOZ. Understood this question, my dear children? Observe this figure, my dear children. This is XYZ, triangle XYZ. In this triangle, angle X is equal to 62 degrees. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degrees. Okay, my dear children. And what is given? YO and ZO are the bisectors of these two angles. Understood these points, my dear children? Right. Now let us come to the solution part. First we write the given data. In the adjoining figure, in the adjacent figure, given what is given? Angle x is equal to 62 degrees. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degrees. YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. This is the data given for us. Okay, my children, we wrote that given data here. Now come to the triangle XYZ. In this triangle, we know this angle, that is 62 degrees. This angle is 54 degrees. Let us find out angle Z. Okay, my children. How can you find? Yes, by using the angle sum property of a triangle. Isn't it or not, my children? Yes. In triangle XYZ, angle YXZ, it is nothing but angle X. Okay, my children, I wrote this angle by using 3 letters. Okay, my children, similarly I will write angle XYZ. This is nothing but angle Y. Okay, my children, I wrote angle Y by using 3 letters. Similarly, I will write angle Z by using 3 letters. Angle YZX. Angle sum property. Angle sum understood this step, my children? By using the angle sum property of a triangle, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle YXZ. What is the measurement of angle YXZ? 62 degrees. Plus angle XYZ. What is the measurement of angle XYZ? 54 degrees. Plus What is the measurement of angle XZY? We don't know. Angle YZX. Understood this step, my children? We substituted the given measurements. Okay, my children? Right. Let us simplify these two numbers. What will you get? 62, 54, 116 degrees, 116 degrees plus angle YZX is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies we transpose 116 degrees to RHS. Then it becomes minus 116 degrees. Okay, my children? Right. Angle X, angle YZX angle YZX is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. Let us find its value. 4, 7 minus 1, 64 degrees. So this is the measurement of the angle YZX. It means this angle YZX. This angle. Okay, my children, understood this point? Right. So what we got here, angle YZX is equal to 64 degrees. Therefore, we got this angle 64 degrees. Okay, understood this point, my children? I wrote the measurement of this angle here in this figure. Now, what is given? YO and ZO are bisectors. Then, what is meant by bisector of an angle? This line is dividing this angle into two equal angles. Isn't it or not, my children? Right. Means angle XYO equal to angle OYZ. Isn't it or not, my children? Right. YO is a bisector of angle XYZ. So by this sentence, what can you write? Angle XYO, angle XYO, angle XYO is equal to angle OYZ is equal to, because this entire angle is divided into two equal parts. Okay, my children, understood this step? Right. 2 ones 227. So this angle is equal to 27 degrees and this angle is also 27 degrees. Understood, my children? Right. Therefore, angle XYO is equal to 27 degrees. Here this is 27. Down this angle also 27. Angle OYZ. Angle OYZ 27 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Similarly, here the ZO is a bisector of angle YZX. It is given. Similarly, ZO is a bisector of angle XZY. Angle XZY. It is also given. This is also given in the question itself. Okay, my children. This implies, what can you write here? Angle XZO is equal to angle OZY. Angle XZO is equal to angle OZY is equal to 64 degrees by 2. Here also it is a bisector, means the complete angle is divided into two equal parts. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to 32 degrees. 2 once, 232 times. Therefore, angle XZO is equal to 32 degrees. Angle OZY, this is also 32 degrees. Here 32 degrees. Here also 32 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now come to this angle. Triangle OYZ. Angle OYZ is a small triangle, isn't it or not, my children? Right. What is asked here? Angle OZY. Angle OZY. We got here 32 degrees. And angle YOZ. Angle YOZ. We have to find this angle also. So in the triangle OYZ, in triangle, again we use the angle sum property of a triangle. Then we get this angle. Okay, my dear children, understood this point? So in triangle OYZ, angle YOZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle YZO is equal to 180 degrees, because angle sum property of a triangle. By using this property, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies, in this step, we substitute the measurement of the angles. What is angle YOZ? Angle YOZ, we don't know. We don't know measurement of this angle YOZ. Come to angle OYZ. OYZ. What is the angle YOZ? OYZ, 27 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Angle YZO, angle YZO, OZY or angle YZO, both mean the same, is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle YOZ. Let us simplify these two numbers, 27, 32. By adding these two numbers, what will you get? 59 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now we transpose 59 degrees to that side, RHS. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 degrees minus 59 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to 180 minus 59. 121 degrees. 121 degrees. Therefore, angle YOZ is equal to 121 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Which is the required angles. Okay, my children, we got here angle OZY. Angle OZY. This angle we have got here, whatever they asked in the question, and we got the next second angle also. Understood this point, my children? Right. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. Third question in the textbook in this exercise. In the adjacent figure, if AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degrees, and angle CDE is equal to 53 degrees. Find angle DCE. Understood this question, my children? Observe this figure. Here what is given? AB is parallel to DE. These two lines are parallel lines. And angle BAC, the measurement of this angle is 35 degrees. And angle CDE, the measurement of this angle is 53 degrees. We have to find angle DCE. Angle DCE, we have to find this angle. Okay, my children, understood this question? Right. We have to find that angle. Okay, my children? Right. Let us come to the solution part. First, let us write the given data. In the adjacent figure, given AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. Angle BAC (35 degrees) and angle CDE is equal to 53 degrees. Okay, my children, we wrote the given data. Now come to this point. AB is parallel to DE. If you take this AE as a transversal, then we can say that angle BAC or angle BAE equal to angle AED. Why the two angles are equal? They are alternate interior angles. Okay, my children? Right. AB is parallel to DE and A is transversal then angle BAE equal to angle AED. So angle AED because these two angles are a pair of alternate interior angles. These two angles are a pair of alternate interior angles. We know if two lines are parallel lines, then pair of alternate interior angles are equal. By using that property, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle AED. We don't know measurement of this angle is equal to angle BAE. Angle BAE is nothing but angle BAC only. That is 35 degrees. Because angle BAE is nothing but both are same. Okay, my children, understood this one? Right. So we got angle AED, this angle, that is 35 degrees. We got that angle, measurement of this angle. Now come to the triangle CDE. We have to find the angle DCE. So to find this angle, let us take the triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, angle DCE plus angle CDE plus angle DEC. Why we wrote this step? By angle sum property of a triangle. By using angle angle sum by using this property. I wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. So in this step we substitute the measurement of the given angles. This implies angle DCE. We don't know measurement of this angle DCE. We write that angle as it is, plus angle CDE. Angle CDE. What is the measurement of this angle? 53 degrees, plus angle DEC. Angle DEC. What is the measurement of angle DEC? 35 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle DCE. Let us simplify these two numbers. 53 degrees, 35. What you get here? 88 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now we transpose this angle. We transpose this quantity to RHS. Then it becomes minus 88 degrees. Okay, my children? This implies angle DCE is equal to 180 degrees minus 88 degrees. Let us simplify these two numbers. 180 minus 180. What you will get? Okay, my children, understood? Right. So, angle DCE so the measurement of this angle is equal to 92 degrees. Understood, my dear children? Right. Now come to the next question. That is question number 4. Fourth question in the exercise. Okay, my dear children. In the adjacent figure, if lines PQ and RS intersects at point T such that angle PRT is equal to 40 degrees, angle RPT is equal to 95 degrees, and angle TSQ is equal to 75 degrees. Find angle SQT. Understood this question, my dear children? Observe this figure, my dear children. Here angle PRT, here PQ and RS. PQ and RS, these two lines are intersecting at point T. And what is given? Angle PRT. Angle PRT is 40 degrees. Angle RPT is 95 degrees. Angle RPT, this angle is 95 degrees. Angle TSQ. TSQ, this angle is 75 degrees. Then we have to find angle SQT. We have to find angle SQT. We have to find that angle. Understood this question, my dear children? Right. Now let us write the given data first. Come to the solution part. In the adjacent figure, given lines, whatever the data given in the question, I am writing here as in the form of steps. Okay, my children? Lines PQ and RS intersects at point T. And what is given? Angle PRT is equal to 40 degrees. Angle RPT 95 degrees. And angle TSQ is equal to 75 degrees. Understood these steps, my dear children? whatever the data given in the question, I wrote in the form of steps here in the solution part. Okay, my children. Now come to the diagram, come to the figure. Here we got two triangles, triangle PRT, angle TSQ. Two triangles are there. In the first triangle, you know two angles. Can we find the third angle or not, my children? Yes. By using the angle sum property of a triangle, we can find the third angle. So in triangle PRT, angle in triangle PRT, angle RPT plus angle PRT plus angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees, because we used here angle sum property of a triangle. By using the angle sum property of a triangle, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. In this step, we substitute the measurement of the given angles. This implies angle RPT. Angle RPT. What is the measurement of that angle? 95 degrees. Plus angle PRT. Angle PRT. What is the measurement of this angle? 40 degrees. Plus angle RTP. Angle RTP, we don't know measurement of this angle, so I am writing RPT. RTP, angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies, let us simplify these two numbers. 95 plus 40. What will you get? 95 plus 40. 135 degrees. 135 degrees plus angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? By simplifying these two numbers, we got 135 degrees plus we wrote this term as it is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now we transpose 135 degrees to RHS, then it becomes minus 135 degrees. Okay, my children? This implies angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. Now let us simplify these two numbers. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle RTP is equal to 180 degrees minus 135. Bar subtraction 45 degrees. So angle RTP, this angle is, we got the measurement of this angle. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now observe this figure, my children. Here what is given? PQ and RS are intersecting at point T. Then angle PTR, angle STQ. These two angles are said to be pair of vertically opposite angles. Isn't it or not, my children? Then they are equal. A pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle PTR, is equal to angle STQ, because they are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. So by using this property, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies, what is the measurement of angle PTR? 45 degrees. is equal to angle STQ. Angle STQ. So angle STQ is equal to 45 degrees. Understood this step, my children? We got this angle also, the measurement of this angle also. Now come to the triangle STQ. In this triangle, we know measurement of this angle and measurement of this angle we found just now. Now we have to find angle SQT. By using the angle sum property, we can find this third angle. Okay, my children? Right. So in triangle SQT, angle STQ, angle SQT plus angle SQT, angle SQT, I wrote first this angle, angle SQT plus angle STQ, angle STQ plus I wrote this angle and we write this angle, angle TSQ, angle TSQ is equal to 180 degrees because angle sum property by using the property we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. In this step we substitute the measurement of the given angles. This implies we don't know angle SQT. Angle SQT plus angle STQ. What is the measurement of the angle STQ? 45 degrees plus angle TSQ. Angle TSQ 45 degrees. TSQ for 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle SQT plus, let us simplify these two numbers, 75 degrees plus 45 degrees. What we will get here? 120 degrees. That is 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now we transpose this 120 degrees into RHS. Then it becomes minus 120 degrees. So this implies angle SQT is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. What will you get here? By simplifying these two numbers, 60 degrees. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, 60 degrees. Therefore, angle SQT is equal to 60 degrees. Understood, my children? Right. Now come to the question number 5. Next question in the exercise. In the adjacent figure, if PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is parallel to SR, angle SQR is equal to 28 degrees and angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees, then find the values of X and Y. Understood this question, my children? Observe this figure, my children. Angle here PQ is perpendicular to PS. Here PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR. Angle SQR that is equal to 28 degrees. Angle QRT. Angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. This is the given data for us. Now we have to find the values of X and Y. Okay, my children? Right. Come to the solution part. Let us write the given data first. In the adjacent figure, given PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR is equal to 28 degrees. And angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. Just I wrote in the form of steps. The given data is written in the form of steps. Okay, my children, understood? Right. Now, if you observe this triangle QSR, for this triangle QSR, angle QRT is an exterior angle, isn't it or not, my children? Angle QRT is an exterior angle. There is a theorem related to exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Isn't it or not, my children? Do you remember that one? Right. In triangle QSR, angle QRT is an exterior angle. Angle QRT. So, what is the property related to exterior angle of a triangle? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angles. So, angle QSR plus angle SQR is equal to angle QRT, because exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So by using this property, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies, what is the measurement of angle QSR? Angle QSR, we don't know this angle. We don't know. Angle QSR plus angle SQR. What is the angle? SQR, 28 degrees. Is equal to angle QRT. What is the measurement of angle QRT? 65 degrees. Understood this step, my children? We substituted the given angles in this step. Okay, my children? Right. From this equation, we find the measurement of angle QSR. Angle QSR, we transpose plus 28 degrees to RHS, then it becomes minus 28 degrees. So 65 degrees minus 28 degrees. What you will get? 65 minus 28. 15 minus 8. 7. 5 minus 2. 37 degrees. Therefore, angle QSR is equal to 37 degrees. Okay, my children, this angle is equal to 37 degrees. Okay, my children, understood? Right. Now, come to this part. PQ is parallel to SR. It is given, isn't it or not, my children? Given PQ is parallel to SR. And if you take QS as transversal, then angle PQS is equal to angle QSR. Isn't it or not, my children? Right. PQ is parallel to SR and QS is a transversal. Then angle PQS, angle PQS, angle PQS is equal to angle QSR, angle QSR, a pair of alternate interior angles. Isn't it or not, my dear children? These two lines are parallel lines, and if you take QS as transversal, and then this angle is equal to this angle because they are alternate interior angles. Okay, my dear children? Right. This implies angle PQS. What is the measurement of angle PQS? X is equal to angle QSR, just we have found, that is 37 degrees. So we got X is equal to 37 degrees. We got here. Now come to the figure. PQS is a triangle, a right angle triangle, because PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay, my children. In triangle PQS, PQ is perpendicular to, implies what is the measurement of angle QPS? 90 degrees. Isn't it or not, my children? Angle QPS is equal to 90 degrees. So we got here, this is 37 degrees. So in this triangle QPS, we know these two angles. Can we find the third angle or not? Yes. So in triangle QPS, angle PSQ plus angle PQS plus angle QPS because angle sum property of a triangle. By using this property, angle sum property of a triangle, we wrote this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies angle PSQ. What is the measurement of angle PSQ? Y. So Y plus angle PQS. Angle PQS. What is the measurement of the angle? 37 degrees. Just we have found. Angle QPS. Angle QPS, that is 90 degrees. Angle QPS 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies Y plus, let us simplify these two numbers, 90 plus 37. What will you get here? 127 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Understood this step, my children? Right. This implies, now we transpose 127 degrees plus 127 degrees to RHS, then it becomes minus 127 degrees. Isn't it or not, my children? So Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 127 degrees. Now let us simplify these two numbers, 180 degrees minus 127. What we will get here? 53 degrees. Therefore, Y is equal to 53 degrees. We got the value of X, and here we got the value of Y also. Okay, my children, understood? Right. And one more question is there in this exercise. You try yourself the question number 6. Okay, my children? Will you try the question number 6 in this exercise, my children? If you have any doubt, ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. Okay, my children? In the next class, I will start new chapter. Okay, my children? Right.